Today I am discussing about evolutionary process model. Okay, this life cycle model is also referred to as successive version model. Also referred to as successive version model. Okay, here the software requirement is first broken into several modules. Let us explain this with a diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. Suppose a customer approaches a software company for a software with certain specification. Then the software company will develop a diagram or design, okay, based on the requirement of the customer, and ask the customer whether the design satisfy the requirement. Okay, if the customer is satisfied, then software development company will start develop the software by splitting into different modules. Okay, splitting into different modules. Module 1, module 2, module 3. Okay, so first the company will design a diagram, rough diagram or rough requirement, then given to the customer. Whether the customer is satisfied with that diagram or that requirement, then the company will start develop the product by splitting into different modules. Okay, here let us take A as the core module, and it will be after developing this module, and it will be submitted to the customer. Okay, and collect feedback. A as the core module, after developing it, submit it to the customer. Okay, and collect the feedback from customer. If the customer is okay then move to the next module, that is develop the next module. That is, here I am adding B. I am adding the next feature. Okay, so after developing this module, given to the customer, again the customer is satisfied, then go to the third module. Okay, so this process will continue. Okay, so here this is the final product. It contains both A, B and C. Okay, I'll explain one more. Here A as the core module. Okay, it will be submitted to the customer and collect feedback. Okay, it will be submitted to the customer and collect feedback. Okay, if it is okay for the customer, then develop the next module. That is, add the next feature. B is the next feature. Okay, that is, here B is added to core module. A is the core module, B is added to core module. After this module, then given to the customer. Again take the feedback. Okay, if it is okay for the customer, then we will add the third feature, that is C. Okay, so this is the final product. That is, our rough diagram is here and the final product is here. Okay, that is the final product contain both A, B and C. Okay, here we can say A is the core module. Okay, this A is in module 1, module 2 and module 3. So we can identify errors very easily. So this is the main advantages of evolutionary process model. Okay, we can explain this model with this diagram also. Okay, that is, first rough requirement specification. That is, rough requirement are identified. Okay, then identify the core and other parts. After the requirement specification, identify the core and other parts to be developed. and after that develop the core part. Okay, then after developing the core part, collect the customer feedback. Okay, after getting the feedback, develop the next stage. Okay, next module. Then this process will continue. That is taking customer feedback, develop the next module. Okay, this process will continue until all features are added. Okay, after all features are added, then the product is ready and go for maintenance. Okay, this is what happening in evolutionary process model. Okay, thank you.